There's a silent war happening inside every young man today. A war between the body and the mind, between short-term pleasure and long-term growth. Every day, millions wake up saying they'll focus on their goals, but end up trapped in the same habits, scrolling, wasting time, and feeding their mind with corn and lustful thoughts. This isn't just a bad habit, it's something that slowly destroys your energy, your focus, and your self-respect. Number 1. The truth about corn addiction. Let's be honest, corn is not harmless entertainment. It's a mental trap. When you watch it again and again, your brain starts expecting fake pleasure, instant, easy, and endless. That fake world makes your real life feel boring. You lose the drive to talk to real people, to work on yourself, or to even move forward. You feel tired without doing anything. You feel lazy, but don't know why. You can't focus, you can't study, you can't work out, because all your energy is being drained by your own habits. Your brain is addicted to dopamine, the chemical of pleasure, and corn gives it in huge amounts without effort. But the more you consume it, the less pleasure you get from real things. That's why your motivation dies. You stop enjoying small things like reading, learning, or exercising, because your mind only wants quick, fake pleasure, not real progress. Number 2. How lust controls your energy. Lust is not bad when controlled, it's natural. But when it controls you, it destroys you. Every time you lose your focus to lust or dirty thoughts, you waste powerful energy that was meant for your growth. That same energy could be used to build muscle, to study deeply, to create something great. But when you waste it again and again, you become weak, not just physically, but mentally. You lose confidence, you lose clarity. You start seeing every girl as an object, not a human. You lose respect for them and for yourself. And this constant craving, it keeps you trapped in a low state. Your body feels tired, your mind feels heavy, and your heart feels empty. But once you stop feeding that addiction, once you take control, you start feeling powerful again. You feel lighter, you feel focused, you feel alive. Number 3, how to break free. If you want to overcome corn addiction or lust, you can't just hope to stop. You need a plan. Step 1, accept the truth. Stop lying to yourself. Admit that you have a problem, because acceptance is the first step to control. Step 2, remove all triggers. Unfollow, delete, block anything that tempts you. If you keep feeding your brain small doses of temptation, you'll never get free. Keep your phone clean. Keep your space clean. Keep your mind clean. Step 3, replace the habit. Don't just remove it. When the urge comes, your body wants movement. So give it that. Exercise, walk, stretch, or take a cold shower. Don't sit and fight it mentally. Move your body. Every time you win that small fight, your discipline grows stronger. Step 4, start journaling or meditating. When you sit quietly for 10 minutes a day, you start understanding your own mind. You'll see how your thoughts jump from one temptation to another, and that awareness gives you power. Number 4, build a great mindset for exercise and health. Once you start taking control of your desires, you'll have more energy than ever before. That energy must go somewhere, and the best place is your body. Start training your body every day, not for others, but for yourself. You don't need a gym, you just need consistency. Push-ups, running, jumping rope, walking, anything that makes your heart move. When you exercise, your brain releases the same dopamine that corn gives you. But this time, it's real, it's earned, and it makes you proud. Exercise also resets your brain. It removes stress. It builds discipline. It reminds you that pain can be beautiful when it has a purpose. And once you feel that, once you feel the peace that comes after a workout, you'll never want to go back to that fake world. Number 5, the mindset you need. Here's the mindset you must have if you want to stay strong. No one is coming to save you. You have to fix yourself. No one can do it for you. Control is your real power. Anyone can waste energy chasing pleasure, but only a few can control it and use it to build their future. Don't chase girls, attract them. Focus on becoming the man you're proud of. Girls, respect, success. All of that comes later when you respect yourself first. Your body and mind are connected. When you train your body, your mind becomes sharper. When you clean your thoughts, your body feels stronger. The pain of discipline is smaller than the pain of regret. Every time you win a small battle against temptation, laziness, or excuses, you become stronger. Number 6, final message. This world will try to pull you in every direction. There will always be distractions, desires, and temptations. But you must remember, not every desire is worth your time. If you want a powerful life, you must protect your mind. You must value your energy like gold. When you stop wasting it, your eyes become clear, your body becomes strong, and your soul becomes calm. People will notice your change. They'll see the discipline in your face, the confidence in your walk. Because real power doesn't come from how you look. It comes from what you control. So, today promise yourself, no more wasting energy on corn, lust, or fake pleasure. Start using that energy to become the best version of yourself. Focus on your goals, train your body, feed your mind, protect your peace. And remember, a strong mind controls everything. Your desires, your habits, your future, all of it. So control your mind, and you'll control your life.